Hey, welcome back to my channel. Haven't done a video in a while. This is new to me. 2006 Dodge Magnum SRT8. So I bought it about a month ago, completely stock. This vehicle is owned by one owner. Judge had a nickname named Blondie. Engine wise, only has 60,000 miles. Now in the past month, I've upgraded it just a little bit. What I did was I put Kooks headers, SLP catback exhaust, and KW lowering springs. So when I got the Magnum, the front end was shot, so it made sense just to do the KWs. Obviously gives it a way better stance on the outside. With the headers, cold air intake, I got a dyno tune for her, which is pushed about 421 horsepower. Body wise, she's definitely a project. So got the old Dodge paint fade, a little bit of bumper damage. Paint's fading on the hood. Interior though, pretty perfect. When I got it, the screen didn't work, but luckily one of my buddies had the same screen and was able to replace it. Definitely want to do some more videos with this car, so let me know.